nakita ko tong chocolate na to sa Dali and I want to try kung ano ba talagang lasa niya, kung worth it ba. 99 pesos siya sa Dali. Yung name ay milk chocolate with hazelnut crisp. Mukhang masarap yung name. Tignan natin kung masarap nga ba talaga. Ito siya. Okay. So what I can say about this chocolate is it's kind of salty. It's not that sweet. Hindi siya typical. Syempre, of course, 99 pesos siya. So, hindi siya ganun ka yung in-expect ko na matutunaw sa dila once you eat it. Okay naman yung lasa niya. It's not that sweet. So, kung hanap mo hindi ganun ka-sweet na chocolate na masyadong overpowering yung sugar niya, it's not like that. Mostly crunchy talaga siya gawa nung maybe nung yung hazelnut crisp. So, maybe yun yung reason. Sobrang crunchy niya. What you pay is what you get. So, yeah, it's good. It's good. It's not that best. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. If you want me to review or try other products, you can comment down that below and we will try that to review so you can try it as well or not. It's up to you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.